Sani Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast, and please make sure you press like and you leave a comment. Today we're speaking about the gorgeous bubble girl Mihlali Ndamase, an influencer and the businesswoman, a YouTuber. The last time we spoke of Mihlali, she was going amadoda phela wanandaba noma bekuthiwa nesisincane ayagila, noma bekuthiwa umuhle ayagila, noma bekuthiwa unezinqo uzithenge eBrazil ayagila, ngisho ngafuthatha amabele waphakamise ayagila amadoda nje wanankinga nje, ngisho ngakhuluma isingisi ayagila, ngisho ngangasikhuluma isingisi amadoda ayagila nje futhi awugili lawa ayithaphi yakho, ugili lamadoda lawa nje ayimsangana obhedabheda. So this is Mihlali Ndamase, the gorgeous Mihlali Ndamase. The last time we spoke about her, she left 75 missed call. Yes, 75 missed call to a married man, a broke, eshadile. Mihlali, apparently she was also paying bills for this man. Ngoba khathi sexatshwana phela wayesesho ukuthi khathi seMexico mina ngakhokhela ibill, thina siyahala ngala sithi yaza enhle into yengane kanti ingane ifuthisha amabhillion angapha. And then uGuy still cheated on mina on Mimi. Wachitha uGuy, wachitha nabanye ogeli, wazenza into esingcono kunomina wakhala uMimi, inkosi yami, wamfonela ka 75 uGuy wasitshengisa ku social media ukuthi uMimi uMihlali uhlanye ufona 75. Wonke umuntu uyafona more than 10 times. Ayikho into obuzana ngazifona more than okay kodwa phela no 75. Hayi kodwa mina ngangafona ka 200. Ngadlala. So the last time we saw it was when Mihlali was going through the heartbreak and everything. Wayishawa phuke nemlenze laphayana. But the girl uvukile girl, and guess what, she found love in Nigeria. Kusho ukuthi we can say she is a Jolofina right now. She found love in a 23-year-old edlala eBelgium, ehlala eDubai. Ngeke ngilipronounce igama lalomdlali, mhlawumbe nizomazi ngoba phela ngeke ngikwazi ukupronounce amagama so Nigeria, mina yabazi labantu amagama abo ogujuju jajaja whatever. So Mihlali, a few weeks ago she flew to Dubai business class. First of all, actually it's not even business class, she flew first class, because there's first class then there's business. She flew first class. She was drinking your Dom Perros, the champagne, the most expensive champagne. She was eating a macaron. She was speaking English there. What to make a lapе Dubai, wangena go Louis Vuitton, wangena go Gucci, wakitiza ugel, ubengena isitolo sivalwe. Yebo. Hayi zaphuma indaba ukuthi hayi ithola indoda entsha yaseNigeria edlala ibhola, yizimphika indoda ithi abajoli, kodwa indoda ilandela uma kaMihlali, ilandela ngisho ikatela kaMihlali on social media, ilandela ngisho sesika Mihlali omncane, and uMihlali akakwazi ukuthula lo hlobo lami mangabe lijoli. uMihlali uyaposta so this boy usana kubi player of the year, waposta uMihlali wathi God is good. Yabona nje hawuna uMihlali uhlangana lapha nama Nigerian, just uMihlali akafihleki. But the guy posted was msana ngiphi intombazane engayazi mina, I don't know that girl, but it happened the fact ukuthi when Mihlali was in Dubai, the guy was also in Dubai. uGuy ke usemncane unemali, kuthi unemali eningi, ngifuna ukuba nemali eningi, ikhanda lami zule. Betshela noma usisi omdadlana nginaye kuthi uPam lapha eDubai, ugele uyagoyishisa njengamanje upheli ngoba uboy semshile, usethole first class, usethole umusha, usethole uMihlali, usedla amakhavali noMihlali. uGuy kumphikile umini, wathi umini enhle, wathi akajoli naye kodwa usamlandela, kodwa basakhomentelana yabo ama-postini okusho ukuthi abantu abazanayo ke. But all I'm gonna say is the fact ukuthi was so happy for Mihlali Ndamase to find love after she was destroyed by Leroy. One poster wazama ukumdegrade, wathi uyahlanga ekhanda. We didn't know much about Mihlali Ndamase. We knew that she was a working girl, she was a YouTuber. Wagcina sezeka nalezo zinto lezo because umjolo bafethu amadoda ayagobjisana, sesimazi nje manje njengomuntu ohambelana nabantu abashadile yabo. But for now, at least this boy is not married. He's young. He's a soccer player. If usushilo Pam, it's okay because he was not married with Pam also, right? Yeah. And then waphela umini futhi bese imataniso nomunye usomabhizinisi eZimbabwe onomkhabo omkhulu abonje bese kuningi. But for now, if she is decided or has decided the fact ukuthi uyahlala la, I'm happy for her. Girl, go get your man. Sesobona ke mama Nigeria ngaphela lento ayizona ukuthi azokwenzani, but guys siyakubongela for now sithando sami. Guys, please make sure you subscribe, right? right? Thank you.